Welcome to Moving and Storage, where we're diving into the lives of professional movers. Let's step into their day and see what moves them.
Yeah, so I'm Brady. I help with the marketing, sales, dispatch. People call and go, oh, you're the first moving company I've called where a person picked up the phone, right? So I think just off the bat, because we don't have automated systems, if they called us, they talk to a human. Joe's Moving and Storage, this is Brady.
Hi, Brady. Your company moved us this past weekend.
Yeah.
It turned out to really be a bit of a disaster.
Once they are talking to you, just being candid, listening to what they have to say, listening not to respond, but to understand.
I did not find my underwear until this morning. My husband's underwear I cannot find anywhere. If I didn't know better, I think they took it. I mean, it's crazy, but...
Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, no, that makes total sense.
So we're gonna start selling merchandise to the online store, Dose branded stuff. That'll start off as the place will send the guys to buy updated uniforms, shirts and things. We want the online store to be going and be mature enough as this docuseries rolls out, these community centers roll out, as everything starts to roll out, we have a place that people can go buy merchandise. And by mature enough, I mean we've just figured out how to run it and what kind of stuff we want in there. And we have a good process for fulfillment out of the store and for graphic design of stuff that goes in.
One thing that we love about the moving industry and Dose in general is it is so intimately connected to the community, especially in the economy today. It's very much a digital economy and it's remote. It's AI driven largely. I mean, I was going to say it's robots, but it's computers, and the economy is less and less engagement with people. Moving maintains that aspect. We're embedded in the community, we're neighbors, and I love that.
Good friend of mine, Sean Stenmark, he's started this mountain bike group. It's all crowdsourced, crowdfunded. So local people who are in the community and ride, local businesses are involved, like Dose as title sponsors. So they put money into it and also resources. And we end up getting around 600 or 700 people. So this upcoming HozFest, Dose is going to handle setting up a bunch of the ramps and moving all the equipment. And so we're pretty excited about that. It's going to be cool. Yeah, it's going to be really cool.
You had people in your family military before?
Yeah, so my father and grandfather both Marine Forward. And then I got two uncles in the Navy right now. My mom's hosting like a little goodbye for before my boot camp. Yeah, for like all the old ladies I knew at church, old people I had as teachers, people I don't even remember. She's just going over and beyond with it. And oh yeah, she's excited. She was happier that I'm leaving now at 21 rather than right out of high school. She probably would have been more emotional if I went right out of high school, so.
She probably wasn't leaving to let you go.
Yeah. My youngest brother's actually talking about it. He's really into football right now, and they got football teams in the military, so he's only 16 now, but with me going, he's looked into it more. So the ASVAB test, I nailed anything that had to do with tools, workshop, mechanic, I nailed all that. It was the English that got me. It was, what does this word mean? And I was like, bro, I haven't been to school in 3.5 years. And my dad, he does a bunch of research, so he was looking up everything, and I was like, all right, calm down. I don't think it's that big of a deal. 3-mile run, my lowest I've gone was 26, so just above 8 minutes. I'm trying to knock that down, but yeah, they didn't test me on that. It was just sitting down with the 8-pound ball, see how far I can throw it.
They had you sit down with an 8-pound ball and throw it?
Yeah, like chest pass it, see how far I can get it with. Right now I'm deadlifting 375.
That's how it gotta be, and that's how you stand out. Exceed all expectations. That's the key in life, period.
I'm ready for it.
Do some military workouts. I incorporate some, like the military count, like 1, 2, 3, 1. I do that.
Yeah.
So.
We're going to get some clinics going, so let's move the truck over into the corner.
You got it.
These are our waivers if you guys want to ride bikes. These will get you lunch.
Oh, thank
Perfect.
you. Also, there's fruit out now, donuts, take some hot chocolate. It's probably not like super healthy, but if you guys want to roll down there.
Thank you.
All right. Cool. Let me know when you're ready. What's up, everybody? We're here at our annual Hozaholics Grassroots Mountain Bike Festival. We love doing this every single year. This is what it's about. We try to bring members of the community together. We've got people that are into all kinds of different types of mountain biking, different skill levels, different parts of the state, Everything here is crowdsourced. So it's volunteer driven, all of the food, potluck style. We've got local pros that come down and do clinics, all kinds of local businesses. We've got national brands, we've got bike shops, we've got members of the community like the Forest Service, trail builders. We celebrate being healthy and being outdoors, and it's a ton of fun. Oh, shoot, I forgot to walk away. Hey, it's Dave. This is my 1972 Volkswagen Westfalia, and I'm selling it. It's all original paint, more off-roady tires for the camper. The top part pops up and it works great. A little like cot thing floating. I haven't got the plumbing going on it. I never used it for it, but it's got the spout and the sink and the drain and the vent that goes up and out. It's got the original stool, which is kind of cool. On the freeway, no problems. Able to go 70 on the straights, passing cars that are going too slow, surprisingly enough. It's been a great vehicle for me. If this is gonna be your next vehicle, let me know and we'll make arrangements, get it to you, and you'll love it forever.